Hi guys, welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. This video is going to be a review of a very familiar brand. This is my Prestige 1.5 liters Baby Handi stainless steel pressure cooker. I had an aluminium pressure cooker of 2 liters which I'd been thinking of changing it for a long time, as most of us are aware of the harmful effects of aluminium cookers. So I purchased this from Amazon for around 1800 rupees during an offer, and now I have been using it for 2 months before I give this review. So if you are interested in the same product, then do check the description box below. So this is the Prestige Alpha Deluxe Series 1.5 liters Baby Handi with glass lid. This comes in this kind of a packaging. This is the stainless steel cooker and this comes with a glass lid. The shape of the cooker is like a small handi. It is small, compact and nice to hold. You can see that the top portion of the cooker is only of the size of my hand. It comes with a sandwich base bottom which is both induction and gas stove compatible. The handle is screwed with a single screw and not double screw, but yes, it feels sturdy enough to hold the cooker. This is the lid and it feels strong and heavy to hold. And this is the whistle. So looks wise, I am happy that it doesn't look like the age old traditional cookers, and even the whistle looks bold and nice. This is the safety valve and the pressure indicator. So this pressure indicator is good to know whether the cooker is openable or no. When it is on top like this, it means that the cooker is in full pressure and cannot be opened. You can open the cooker only when the pressure indicator is fully down, and when you lock it, the arrow given needs to match. Pretty similar like all other cookers. So overall it looks very cute, compact, easy to handle and a firm grip to hold. So this is good enough to cook dal for like 3 to 4 people or one pot of rice for a single adult. So in case you want to saute something and leave it for pressure cooking and then add some masalas or anything else and give it a boil, and once the dish is complete, you may use this glass lid and keep it as it is on the dining table for serving without changing it to another serving dish. So this is one of the greatest advantage of this cooker. The stylish looking glass lid, which has a easy to hold handle and which is screwed on a single screw inside. You can also use this cooker as a saute pan to cook pasta, rice or any other dish. Even in the process of cooking, if you have sauteed something and want to rest your handle like this rather than keeping it here and there, this is a great advantage of this model. This also comes with a hole on the glass lid to leave out the excess steam. So overall, I am happy with the size and the quality of this product. So I feel the main advantage is the glass lid, because of which it can be used as a cooker, as a saute pan and also as a serving dish. So saute, steam and then boil and tadka, everything in a single utensil is a great plus to this product. So when we cook dal, more than a katori or maybe a very less quantity for a baby or a toddler, then you may use a vessel inside to do so instead of directly cooking in the cooker. So if I take half a cup of dal here, which is good for serving 4 to 5 katoris of dal, this cooker will be of an optimum size. One thing which is important here is to keep the optimum level of water by correct measurement. Due to its small size, too less water will burn the food and too much water will leave no vessel and leave water all over from the top. So optimum water is the key thing for using this cooker successfully. Although the rim shape given protects the water from spilling down, but still there will be spillage in case of excess water. So now you can see that the pressure is full inside the cooker as the pressure indicator is lifted and it is about to give whistle. I would recommend to use this cooker on a smaller burner instead of a bigger burner. On the left side is my 3-liter Ultra cooker. I am showing this for the comparison for the size and looks. This is ideal for a single person's regular use or for a small kitchen as it doesn't occupy so much storage space. Generally, we always think that if we buy a bigger cooker, we can cook more food when required and also can be used to cook less food. But I feel having the right size of utensil for the right food is important for better efficiency in cooking by saving time and also avoiding food wastage. Also, visually, the food quantity looks less in a bigger cooker and we end up cooking more quantity than required. So, using the right size is good to avoid food wastage. So, hope you all liked this video. If you found it useful, then please give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with your YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all in the next video. And until then, bye bye and thanks for watching.